Alright, Derek. You wanted to see the gearing on this thing, so here's pretty much what I've got. There's not a whole lot of room to get into some good viewing, but overall, the thing I see though is the gear that separates. It looks like the gear that actually will move with the rollers is not affected by the adjustments, because yeah, it's not allowing it to pull itself too far apart, so maybe a good thing, I don't know. But anyway, there's the gearing on it, and if there's anything else that I can show you to maybe help you figure out what you want to do with the Copper King, just let me know. I'm not opposed to taking anything apart at least one time. But thanks for subscribing, and can't wait till you upload something else. Appreciate it, guys.